Welcome to RoadForge. Today, we dive deep into the thrilling and cutting-edge world of Ferrari's latest masterpiece, the 2026 Ferrari F80. For all the automotive enthusiasts and potential buyers out there, buckle up as we take you through every corner of this revolutionary hypercar. Ferrari, renowned for pushing the boundaries of performance and luxury, has unveiled the F80, a new flagship model that takes innovation to the next level. This isn't your typical Ferrari with a screaming V12. Instead, it's a plug-in hybrid powered by a twin-turbo V6, showcasing the pinnacle of Ferrari's Formula One-inspired engineering. Powertrain: twin-turbo, 3.0-liter V6 plus 3 electric motors. Output: a jaw-dropping 1184 horsepower. Performance: 0 to 62 mph in just 2.2 seconds. Transmission: 8-speed dual-clutch automatic. Drive system: all-wheel drive. This car embodies Ferrari's rich legacy, succeeding icons like the LaFerrari, while redefining modern hypercar performance. What's new for 2026? The F80 is all new, a testament to Ferrari's commitment to innovation. From its hybrid technology to its futuristic design, it's a showcase of what's possible when engineering meets artistry. Pricing and exclusivity. Base price starts at $3,100,000. If you're in the market, consider acting fast. This hypercar is destined to become an instant classic. With this level of engineering, the F80 is poised to set new benchmarks for hypercar performance. Complimentary maintenance: 7 years, unlimited miles. A standout in the hypercar segment, the 2026 Ferrari F80 is not just a car, it's a statement. It embodies the pinnacle of Ferrari's engineering prowess while embracing the future of hybrid technology. At $3.1 million, it's reserved for the few, but its impact on the automotive world will be felt by many. 3 years, unlimited miles, for both limited and powertrain warranties. If you're a collector or an enthusiast ready to embrace the cutting edge of performance, the F80 is your ticket to automotive immortality. Thank you for joining me today on RoadForge. In the comments below, let me know what excites you most about the F80.